Welcome back to our channel. Today the 2025 Omni minivan is set to revolutionize the compact van segment with its modern design, efficient performance, and enhanced practicality. Designed to cater to both urban and suburban lifestyles, this latest iteration of the beloved Omni brand offers a fresh take on affordability, functionality, and technology. Whether used for family transport, business deliveries, or adventure trips, the 2025 Omni minivan promises to be a reliable companion for all kinds of journeys. At first glance, the exterior of the 2025 Omni minivan reflects a significant departure from its predecessors. A more aerodynamic and contemporary design replaces the boxy structure of the past, featuring sleek LED headlights, a bolder front grille, and a well-sculpted body that enhances both aesthetics and efficiency. Despite its compact size, the van maximizes space intelligently, ensuring optimal utility without compromising maneuverability. The sliding doors provide easy access to the cabin, making it a practical choice for congested city environments where space is a premium. Inside, the 2025 Omni minivan boasts a well-thought-out interior with a minimalist yet functional approach. The spacious cabin accommodates up to 7 passengers comfortably, with flexible seating arrangements that allow for cargo expansion when needed. The dashboard is equipped with a digital instrument cluster and a touchscreen infotainment system, offering seamless smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. USB charging ports, ample storage compartments, and climate control ensure that passengers enjoy a comfortable ride regardless of the journey length. Under the hood, the 2025 Omni minivan is powered by an efficient yet capable engine that balances performance and fuel economy. The availability of both petrol and electric variants ensures that customers have the flexibility to choose according to their needs. The electric version, in particular, stands out with its silent operation, zero emissions, and impressive range, making it an eco-friendly alternative for modern consumers. The van's lightweight chassis, coupled with improved suspension, delivers a smooth driving experience, even on rough roads. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Omni minivan, with a suite of advanced features designed to protect passengers and pedestrians alike. Anti-lock braking system, ABS, electronic stability control, escape, rear parking sensors, and multiple airbags provide a secure driving environment. Additionally, high-strength steel construction enhances the vehicle's crash protection, ensuring maximum safety in case of an accident. Overall, the 2025 Omni minivan is a game-changer in its segment, offering a perfect blend of affordability, technology, and versatility. Whether for personal or commercial use, its user-friendly features and reliable engineering make it a smart investment. With its sleek design, advanced features, and eco-friendly options, this van is set to redefine the standards of practical mobility. As it enters the market, it is expected to attract a wide range of consumers looking for a dependable, cost-effective, and future-ready vehicle.